start drawing. Okay, so this is the text thing here. And we want to do multi-line text. Okay, so it's asking me what is my first corner. And so here's my first corner right here. And it's going to start asking me options. So I'm going to hit J for justify. And it's asking me all these different things. I want it to be in the middle center. So put MC. And it's going to ask me some other stuff about if I want to do anything else. The height. About 0.25. Okay, and I'm going to specify the opposite corner. Sometimes this thing gets in the way. Okay, and my text. My text is going to be sheet metal blank. Okay.
Did you type something in for opposite corner or you just put opposite?
I use the cursor.
Okay.
Yeah, that's another thing. Since the snap is on, I could snap right to that intersection of the two lines, and so that way I could stick it in there. Okay, so you click off of it, and then you get sheet metal. Okay, I screwed up. What did I do wrong? Do it again. Okay, get to do this again. Justify. Okay, it should still retain all my settings. I'm going to try leaving the text as it was. There's a way to get rid of this. I'm going to have to change the zoom, which I should probably do anyway. Alright, so I'm going to do zoom. I'm going to click here, click down here somewhere. Okay, there we go. Much better. Now I'm not dealing with that thing. Okay, so text, multi-line text, first corner. Okay, I think all the same is the same. Should have remembered all of it. Apparently not. Remember that. Okay. Okay. Then I want to put in some other stuff here. What do we want? UH in the lower right, University of Houston in the lower right. So I'm going to do this again. Right, what's our height at? Still 0.25. Other corner. Okay. Okay. All right. Oh, by the way, the department is taking a collection up to buy Dr. Kamrani a floral display. So if you're interested in possibly donating to that, you can see Ms. Mims. Okay, then the last thing is we need date and name in the top right. What's today's date? 12 November 15. Okay. Alright. So now, we're now ready to put in some dimensioning. Okay, so this little microscopic icon here, okay, is what you're after. And you want to click on that, and it's going to pop up, and it's going to give you different types of dimensioning on here. And I need to change my thing.
All of these are different right here.
Okay. And I'm going to do a linear one, for example. So see how this is like highlighting here? Okay, then this thing will highlight. Okay, then if I stretch it up here, it's going to actually draw this for me, which is pretty neat. Because in the old days, you would have to do this all yourself. Okay, now it does it for you. A angular one would be one like this, or a line one would be one like this. That. Okay. A radius one would be one like this. Do I not have that on? I thought I had center on. Oh, I think I have to click on the object, not the center. Let's try it again. There. Okay, so then that goes like that. And the thing that you need to be concerned about is to have enough dimensions so that this can be made. There are no questions about what they are. At the same time, you don't occlude anything else. So we need things like angular, like that, and like that. Okay, you don't want anything hanging off the side there. It should be neat and tidy and everything. Okay, and so on. Okay, so that's dimensioning. For your homework, you need to do this part here. You need to do this part here. You probably have to have these angles here. You need the length here. You basically need everything that you can possibly have on here. The thing, it looks like it's symmetrical, and so you do not have to squish everything up on one side. It's also a good idea to have overall dimensions of things. So, for example, you'd also probably want to have something like this. Okay, and so on. Unless you did a lot of trigonometry or geometry, you wouldn't be able to figure out what that length is. Okay, similarly, you should have one that goes from here to here, and that, I don't know if that's going to be tight. Okay, try to do it. Actually, you could do the inside here. You probably have a vertical one from here to here, and they might have to add it up in order to get it. But don't include anything in your drawing. We don't want that. We don't want stuff hanging off over the box and so forth. You can reduce the font size if you need to a little bit. Okay, alright, so that's we're not gonna do this.